Hello and welcome back to another mattressreviews.com.au video. Today I'm going to be walking you through everything you need to know about the Ergoflex 5G memory foam mattress. This review is part of a series where I'm trialing and testing a range of popular mattresses to help make the decision of buying an online mattress easier. Check out the link above me to watch our other reviews of the Ecosa, Koala and Sleeping Duck Mac 2 mattresses. Alright, let's talk about the Ergoflex 5G mattress. I need to start off by saying I was a little bit nervous about trialing this mattress, as typically I like a really soft mattress. But I think after trialing several firmer mattresses, I'm slowly converting to the benefits of a firm mattress. And the Ergoflex 5G was very impressive. In this review, I'm going to be talking about the construction of the mattress, what it feels like to sleep on, its durability, and some customer reviews to help decide if the Ergoflex 5G is right for you. If you've seen our other reviews, you'll know we typically show what it's like to unbox a mattress. But this time we're shaking things up a bit, because really, once you've unboxed one mattress, you've pretty much unboxed them all. Instead, I'll quickly run you through my unboxing experience, but first let's talk about the delivery experience. Ergoflex offers next day delivery to most metro areas, which is great. But I was a little bit shocked when checking out to find delivery was $29.99, when you're already spending $1,529 on the mattress. Ecosa, Koala and Sleeping Duck all offer free delivery. Okay, unboxing. So I ordered a queen mattress, which is 39 kilos. For comparison, the Ecosa and Koala are both 35 kilos, while the Sleeping Duck is 48 kilos. I was thankfully able to unbox the Ergoflex and unroll it on my bed frame all by myself, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend this as you could possibly injure yourself. Do as I say, not as I do. Also, unlike the Ecosa, Koala and Sleeping Duck, with the Ergoflex 5G, you can't choose the firmness it comes in, and you can't change it either. Ergoflex recommends letting the mattress decompress for about 4 hours before putting sheets on it and sleeping on it, which I did do. I also noted it took a bit longer to fully decompress, at least visually, compared to the Ecosa, Koala and SD. So let's talk construction. The Ergoflex 5G is a 9-inch thick, high-density memory foam bed with 3 layers. It has a cover made from a material Ergoflex calls Tencel, which is basically just a material that is moisture resistant and breathable. The first layer is 9 centimeters of viscoelastic memory foam. This is what you sleep on. It also contours to the body to provide a weightlessness feeling, hugging your body and relieving any pressure or body pains. The middle layer is 5 centimeters of cool sleep airflow foam, featuring an egg crate design to allow hot air to escape from the surface layer during sleep. This layer also helps with motion isolation, reducing partner disturbance during the night. The bottom layer is 9 centimeters of high resilience foam, which provides exceptional spinal support. So how does it feel? As I mentioned, you can't choose the firmness level, but overall the Ergoflex 5G is quite firm, around an 8 out of 10 on the firmness scale. It's definitely the firmest of the mattresses I've tried, but actually I really enjoyed how the high density foam molded to my body and did give me this feeling of weightlessness. Let's use our 8 kilo bowling ball of truth to see what the firmness of this mattress is like and how it bounces back. In terms of pressure relief, the mattress offers exceptional levels of pressure relief and support, which most sleepers would probably appreciate. It's especially rated for its ability to reduce pain. Plenty of customer reviews describe sleeping on the mattress as like sleeping on a cloud. Temperature-wise, the Ergoflex 5G has a specially engineered cool sleep airflow layer at its core. I found it very cool to sleep on, possibly the coolest mattress I've tested so far. The Ergoflex 5G mattress is suitable for people who weigh up to 114 kilos or have a combined weight of 190 kilos. For lightweight, under 58 kilos, and average weight sleepers 58 to 104, the Ergoflex 5G is very accommodating. On paper, however, it's not for someone who's heavier, because compared to the other brands, this mattress holds the least amount of weight. Generally speaking, we recommend an inner spring or hybrid mattress for heavier people, as the metal spring coils offer greater support. As expected, it's great for motion isolation, making it an ideal choice for couples. Ergoflex 5G mattress has pretty good edge support, especially when I compare it to, say, the Koala mattress. What possibly makes it better is its transient and supportive base layer. The top memory foam layer compresses under body weight, yet the bottom 2 layers provide strong resistance to prevent too much sinking along the edges of the mattress. Now let's talk about sleeping positions. If you're a back or stomach sleeper, the Ergoflex is a great choice for you. It provides great support for your spine, keeping it in a neutral position as you sleep. Side sleepers will also enjoy the Ergoflex 5G to be very comfortable. Don't let the initial firmness fool you though. You'll slowly sink into the mattress and the top layers do a great job of cradling your hips and shoulders. If you're a combo sleeper, you might find it difficult to move positions, as it does require a bit more effort due to the high density memory foam. As a combo sleeper myself, I personally found the Ecosa a bit easier to move positions in, but I still found the Ergoflex quite comfortable. You'll find most mattresses in a box brands haven't even been in business as long as their warranty periods are. This is where Ergoflex is a bit different. It has been in the market since 2006, so you can rest assured it's a tried and tested mattress. Several customers have reviewed the mattress and noted that they've all had their Ergoflex mattress for more than 10 years and haven't experienced any sag. Although some have suggested it does sag after a few months, but that's few and far between. Let's talk about the good customer reviews. A lot of customers reviewing the Ergoflex say they have had hip or back pain, which has been significantly reduced by the Ergoflex 5G mattress. Many reviews say it's like sleeping on a cloud. However, some people have complained of sag after a few months and also suggesting that their back or hip pain has been worse since using the mattress. Some have also said it takes some getting used to, which is true if you're used to sleeping on a softer mattress. One thing to note about the Ergoflex 5G is that you only get a 30-night trial, which is a lot shorter than other online mattresses, which typically give you 100 nights, so just be wary. When it comes to the Ergoflex 5G comparison, no other mattress in a box products really compare, except perhaps the Ecosa. Ecosa and Ergoflex have similar designs, but different foam materials, yet they feel remarkably similar to sleep on. And when comparing by price, Ecosa is quite a bit cheaper, and it also has a customization feature that allows you to tailor the firmness level to suit your body and needs. But if you don't need the customization feature and are happy to spend a little bit more, you certainly can't go past the tried and tested Ergoflex 5G. Okay, so that is my review of the Ergoflex 5G. If you have any more questions, feel free to get in touch or leave a comment on this video. Otherwise, catch you next time.